Hello everyone, this is Alexey. Wide bandgap power semiconductors gained their market share with incredible pace. The market is promised to grow several times in the next 5 years. This is exciting news. And back to news, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. STMicroelectronics and Soitec announced the next stage of their cooperation on silicon carbide substrates, with the qualification of Soitec silicon carbide substrate technology by ST planned over the next 18 months. The goal of this cooperation is the adoption by ST of Soitec's SmartSiC technology for its future 200mm substrate manufacturing, feeding its devices and modules manufacturing business, with volume production expected in the midterm. Transphorm has opened a new office in Shenzhen, China. As a wholly foreign-owned enterprise, the site will house staff responsible for enhancing local customer support, sales, and marketing efforts. It will also serve as an application lab for regional customers developing gallium nitride-based power systems as well as global R&D efforts. Jaguar TCS Racing have revealed the Jaguar Type 6 designed and engineered to compete for the 2023 ABB FIA Formula E World Championship, as the innovative all-electric motorsport category moves into a new Generation 3 era. Ahead of the 2023 championship, Wolfspeed has been confirmed as official power semiconductor partner. The partnership builds on Wolfspeed's existing relationship with the team since 2017, where its advanced silicon carbide technology has been used to accelerate on-track efficiency and performance. It comes as Jaguar Land Rover also recently announced a strategic partnership with Wolfspeed, securing supply of silicon carbide semiconductors for the next generation of electric vehicle inverters. Both partnerships will support the technology and knowledge transfer from race to road with a particular focus on efficiency. Shenzhen-based Semiconductor and ROHM have entered into a strategic partnership agreement on silicon carbide power devices for automotive applications. The signing ceremony was held at ROHM's headquarters in Kyoto to commemorate the occasion. Under the agreement, the two companies will leverage their respective strengths to innovate and improve the performance of silicon carbide power devices and develop higher performing, more efficient and reliable silicon carbide solutions for new energy vehicles. The first step involves supplying onboard power modules that leverage the combined technologies to several major automakers who use in electric vehicle powertrains. And going forward, both ROHM and Basic Semiconductor will contribute to technological innovation in the automotive sector by accelerating the development of innovative power solutions centered on silicon carbide. Purdue University, a public university with leading semiconductor workforce development and R&D programs, and GlobalFoundries announced a new strategic partnership to strengthen and expand collaboration on semiconductor research and education. The announcement was made following a virtual signing ceremony with Dr. Moon Chan, President-elect and Executive Vice President of Purdue University, and Dr. Thomas Caulfield, President and CEO of GlobalFoundries. The agreement outlines collaboration opportunities between GlobalFoundries and Purdue on joint research and development projects as well as educational opportunities. Created with a design engineer in mind, Wolfspeed's virtual seminar event will cover a variety of topics from capacitance ratios to selecting optimal topologies with speed fit. With the recent advancements in power electronics and efforts to combat climate change, the emergence of wide bandgap semiconductors like silicon carbide in power conversion has created unique opportunities for innovation in the field of semiconductor packaging. One of the seminar sessions will focus on basic silicon carbide packaging techniques and solutions to new challenges faced as we transition from packaging silicon to packaging silicon carbide. The second session will provide an overview of the SpeedFit 2.0 online simulation tool and how to use it to make design decisions. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductor market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.